Let's see how to use WhatsApp document scanner. To use this feature, you need to update your WhatsApp app to latest version. So just go to your App Store or Play Store and update your WhatsApp app to latest version. Now go to your WhatsApp and go to a chat in which chat you want to scan and send a document. From the chat, tap on this attachment icon and here select document. And here select scan document. And now go ahead and scan your document just like this. And we can see the document successfully scanned. And here you can delete the scan by tapping here. You can rescan by tapping here. You can add filters to your scanned document from here just like this. So if you want to get best result, then select auto. Tap on apply. And if you want, you can crop and rotate your document from here. Selecting rotation. Tapping on apply. And now just tap on next. And now you can send the document to the chat or conversation. And the document will save as a PDF format file just like this. Thanks for watching.